Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a button widget in Elementor. This is a fundamental skill for anyone building WordPress websites, as buttons are essential for driving user actions, whether that's directing visitors to another page, encouraging signups, or facilitating purchases. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where all your site management tools are located. From here, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and look for the Pages option. Click on it to access your page management area. Now, within the Pages section, you'll need to create a new page where your button will live. Click on Add New at the top of the screen. This opens up a blank page where you can start building your design. However, since we're working with Elementor, you won't be using the default WordPress editor. Instead, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor. It's usually positioned prominently near the top of the page. Click this button to launch the Elementor page editor. This is where the visual building happens, and you'll have access to all the drag and drop widgets that make Elementor so powerful and user-friendly. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll see a panel on the left side displaying various widgets and elements you can add to your page. Scroll through this panel until you find the button widget. When you spot it, simply click and drag it into your desired container on the page. This places a default button onto your canvas, which you can then customize to match your site's style and purpose. Here's an important point to note: in order to fully create and customize the button widget with advanced features, you'll need to upgrade your Elementor version. The free version has limitations, so if you want access to additional styling options, animations, or dynamic content capabilities, consider upgrading to Elementor Pro. This unlock gives you far greater control over your button's appearance and functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button widget to your Elementor page, and you understand what's needed to take full advantage of its features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.